and I'm wondering whether or not I should paint the engine cover to match this, to match that color down there. You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. JATV. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, man, JamesAtkinsTv, and thanks in advance for tapping in today's vlog. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to milk today like no other. All right, I have some very special plans in the making for the C8 Corvette. I'm actually going to link up with some friends today as well. But today's vlog is going to be solely about, well, this vlog actually is going to be solely about the C8 Corvette and some of the modifications that I kind of want to experiment with. I talked about it in the very last video about the C8 engine cover, and I really wanted to paint it, and I think I'm going to try my hand at painting it myself, okay? I don't know why I really want to do this, but at the end of the day, I feel like if I mess it up, I was going to have to pay somebody anyway to paint it, so why not try it myself? I've been seeing a lot of videos, a lot of other people, and a lot of other vloggers going ahead and painting their C8 engine cover themselves, and I feel like I can really do it myself. Theirs have turned out well, so let's try my hand at it. So in today's vlog, I'm gonna show you guys what my C8 engine cover looks like right now, and I'm actually just taking some opinions because I'm kind of stuck on what I want to do and how I want to do it. So let me get you guys' opinion. I'm gonna get the car outside of the garage. It's gonna be a very quick video in and of itself. So no more talking, let's get outside, get the car outside, and I'm gonna show you what I'm thinking about, all right? Let me know, drop a comment down below on everything that you think I should or should not do with the engine cover or whatever. So yeah, I wanna get your opinion, so let's get to it. All right guys, you can hear that good C8 rumble of that Corsa exhaust. But let me go ahead and show you guys what I got going here. All right, matter of fact, let me turn this off so you guys can hear me clearly. All right, guys, so I know you all have seen the C8 engine cover before. I am a little torn, and here's why. The outside of the vehicle is torch red. The engine cover is all black. But if you look down here, this is not torch red. It's like a metallic red or something like that. Adrenaline red, however you want to call it. But it's not the same color as the torch red on the exterior. And I'm wondering whether or not I should paint the engine cover to match this, to match that color down there. Or if I should paint the engine cover to match the exterior of the car. Almost all people are doing the exterior of the car, and I'm thinking I will do that as well. But what do you guys think? Okay, so my idea here is all red on the engine cover, leave this silver, and do something creative with the flag down there, the C8 badge flag. I'm also thinking about doing the little struts here as well, but I'm torn, guys. There's so much creativity that can go into this. There's so many different design elements that can go into it, and I exactly don't know what I really want to do with it. So drop a comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are on this little modification, and yeah, let's see what creativity you guys can add to the flame here, because as I've told you guys before, I'm also getting engine bay lights somewhere in here to light up this engine bay completely, so that whenever I'm driving or at a click of a button, I can be able to turn the lights on at nighttime. So anyway, you get the point. Let me know your thoughts, let me know your comments, drop it down below. I really want to see what you guys can come up with and help me in this process, because at the end of the day, I think that I really want this to be really nice. So I don't want anything that's looking weird. Drop a comment down below. Until next time, it's your boy JamesAtkinsTv. Thanks for tapping in. We out.